Morning, everyone. I appreciate you all being here. As the Senate network engineer, my goal today is to explain the basic difference between wired and wireless networks, highlight their strengths and the weaknesses, and propose the best setup for our startup office.
Thanks, Daru. We're going fast. So we need a solution that's reliable but also adaptable. Please go ahead.
Absolutely. Let's begin with the wired network. This setup uses Ethernet cable to connect computers and the device directly to switch and the central router. It's known for its stability, high speed performance, and strong security. For example, if you are transferring large file or doing tasks that require low latency, like video conferencing or server access, a wired connection is ideal.
I assume that all comes at a price right.
Yes, Iman, you're right. Wire network require more infrastructures like cables for physical installation, especially if we have multiple floors or rooms. So yes, it's more costly upfront, but very dependable in the long.
And wireless. I know people love mobility.
Exactly, a wireless network allows device to connect with via Wi-Fi through access point. This gives user flexibility. They can move around with laptops or phone and still access the internet. The downside, wireless can be slower, less secure if not configured well, and more prone to interference from wall or other electronics. It's like using a walkie-talkie. It works, but the further you are from the signal source, the weaker it becomes.
So far, it seems like both have strengths and weakness. What would you recommend for our current setup? We're still under 30 employees, but planning to grow.
Great question. I recommend a hybrid network. We combine the best of both worlds. For areas where performance or security are critical, like our finance team or developer using desktop PCs, we'll install wired connection. Meanwhile, meeting rooms, collaborative space, and hot desks can be served by wireless access point.
And what kind of budget are we talking about? We don't want to overspend in year one.
That's the beauty of the hybrid model. Instead of wiring the entire office, we only wire strategic workstation that reduce labor and material costs. For wireless, we'll just need a few high quality access points, which are quite affordable now. That can be handled with quality of service or QoS configuration. We'll prioritize bandwidth for critical apps like video calls, cloud syncs, and internal system. That way, streaming or less important tasks don't hog resources.
And security, especially for wireless. What's your plan?
We'll use VBA3 encryption, enforce strong password, and create a separate guest Wi-Fi for visitors. We'll also implement firewall rules and monitor access logs. If needed, we can set device limit or schedule automatic reboots from better uptime.
That sounds true. If we go with this hybrid model, how long will setup take?
Roughly 3 to 5 days, depending on cable routing and equipment delivery. Wireless setup is quick. Most time will be spent on the wired segment.
Perfect. That aligns with our project's roadmap. Once it's in place, can we scale easily if we open a second branch or expand floors?
Absolutely. The network will be designed with scalability in mind. We'll leave room on the switch for extra ports, and the wireless access point can be expanded in mesh mode, so they adapt easily as the office grows.
I'm convinced. This sounds like the right mix of stability, security, and flexibility. Any final comments?
Instead, I'm confident this setup will support our productivity and growth. I'll make sure it's installed efficiently and that our team understands how to use it. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thanks, Daru. Well explained and will just fight. From a finance standpoint, I think this is a smart investment.
Count me in. Let's draft the specs and begin procurement.
Great. Let's move forward. Good job, Ndaru.